So one thing, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Goodyan finches love eggshells. Like, absolutely love them. And that's just a standard chicken eggshell. And of course my Goodyans are nesting right now. There's 2 in the nest. Yeah, they absolutely love the eggshell. I wasn't sure if you folks out there were aware of. You can just give him straight chicken shell. It's like he's eating the membrane inside of it right now. But yep, thought that was kind of fascinating. That he's my male redhead greenback, so standard colored Goodyan. And then white-chested female, yellow male, and the mate, purple-breasted black face, black head. So, yeah. They absolutely love it. Back off a little bit. They might actually, the other ones might go down there too. He's pretty tame, the male. Yep, see? They don't really care about the big ass. Shelby, Delaney, get out of there. Delaney, get out front of the cage. So, yeah, decided to show you that. Kind of neat.